Hey, this is Dr. H here from Value What Matters. I've been a Christian for a long time. I was baptized at the age of 12, and I would say I really came into the fullness of my faith at 21. But even so, it was only recently I stopped and asked myself a simple yet profound question. What exactly does a Christian do? What is our contribution in this world? What are we called to do and be? What does God require of us?
Welcome to In the Word, a devotional segment to get you started on your day. And I'm your host, Dr. Kathy Ann Hernandez, also known as Dr. H from Value What Matters. And now, the Word.
So, if your response to that question was, Christians go to church, they read the Bible, they worship God, all true. But as I think more about what God ultimately requires from us as Christians, what are we called to do? 4 letters, LOVE. We are called to love. Christians love. And I've got to tell you, for all my years of walking with Christ, calling myself a Christian, I have not always had that crystal clear purpose or mission statement in mind that I am called to love. And in Ecclesiastes, the wise man ends by saying, listen, this is the whole conclusion of the matter. What is our duty? Our first duty is to love God and keep his commandments. And then when Jesus came, he told the disciples what the greatest commandment was. In John 13:34, he said, love one another as I have loved you. By this shall all men know that you are my disciples. We are called to love. But let me tell you, in our own strength, we cannot do it. And in the last devotional in which I talked about the company we keep, the way we can come to have this heart of love is by keeping company with God, dwelling in his presence by the power of his Holy Spirit. As we come before him and spend time in his presence, he can begin the transforming work in us for us to do what we are called to do as Christians. That is so clear to me now. It's the foundation, the mission statement. When we wake up in the morning, God, by your power, by your strength, how am I called to love today? I pray that God will bless you and keep you, that he will make his face to shine upon you and impress upon you and inspire you this day to model, to be on purpose, to be on mission. We are called to love. Have a great day. Don't get distracted. Remember to value what matters. Take care. Bye.